Did you know fun facts for today? Do you know why we say bless you after someone sneezes? Put it in the comment if you know. I guess you don't know. Why do we say bless you after someone sneezes? This automatic polite response comes from ancient terror of souls escaping and medieval panic about plague. The tradition spans multiple cultures with terrifying origins. 1. Ancient belief: sneezing forcefully expels your soul briefly, saying a bless you protects it from demons waiting to steal it. 2. Medieval plague: Pope Gregory VII ordered it during the bubonic plague, as sneezing was an early symptom. The blessing was essentially a prayer for survival. 3. Heart-stopping myth: some believed sneezing made your heart stop momentarily. It doesn't, just changes pressure. The German Gesundheit, health, and Hindu live well reflect similar protective intentions. We continue this 1,400-year-old tradition mostly because it's awkward to ignore a sneeze.